Hi everyone, we're live at Craftiviti. I've got very lush green big leaves in the house and in the office and in the shop and all that. So I was thinking, oh okay, I want to buy a shiny leaf shine oil for the plants. But then my friend just looks at me and goes, why are you wasting time looking at this? You have all the ingredients in your shop. But I didn't know which ingredient to look for. So she sent me a recipe that her aunt uses on how to make your own DIY natural leaf shine oil. All you need are 3 simple ingredients. The main ingredient, of course, you will need our Yein&Young liquid Castile soap. Now, the reason why we stick to Castile soap is because it doesn't have any chemicals. Now, this is a body soap. It's very versatile and you can use it as an all-purpose wash. The next thing we need is a good natural vegetable oil. We're using neem oil, but if you don't have neem oil, that's fine. You can use any other oil like coconut oil, olive oil, but I'm using neem oil because I want to protect Charlie here. And the third ingredient is just plain old H2O. Now I've got a really small bottle here, but you can get a bigger bottle, like 500 ml bottle. You can fill in maybe a teaspoon of Castile soap and a teaspoon of neem oil, but this is only a 50 ml bottle. So I'm just going to put a really small drop of Castile soap in it. So I did 1 pump of it, putting maybe about 10 drops of neem oil. I'm going to add a bit more Castile soap to it, and then I'm going to add water. The reason why we use Castile soap is because it helps to disperse the oil. So we're diluting it down with Castile soap and water. This is a dry cloth so that you know it's not wet and the shine is not caused by the wet cloth. So you can see here I've already cleaned this. And it's nice and shiny and it's not tacky at all or oily. The fluorescent light is able to, you know, be absorbed by the leaf. So let's try this other baby leaf here. Just a few squirts and then I'll just clean. You can see this dry cloth. So I just give him a good wipe. Charlie's been with us for I think over 2 years. He's been growing well in this corner, but we've never cleaned him in any way. And this is the first bath we've given him. What better time than a downtime like MCO to do a little bit of gardening? And I know a lot of people are stuck at home and they are doing a lot of gardening in-house. Look at that. So this is going to dry and then it will leave a very nice matte shine on your leaf. Another leaf. So if you can see, there's a lot of the mites. I'm not too sure what mites it is, but it does affect because they're parasites. So I'm going to spray this and I'm going to it comes right off, the mites. I think it's also because of the oil and the combination of oil and natural liquid Castile soap that the mites just right off. So you can see they come right off, and you know it's going to be healthy and good for the plant. You see it comes off in my hands right here and it just comes right off, and it's all natural because the soap, like I said, the soap contains no artificial fragrances, no coloring. So when you clean your plant, look at that, it just comes right off. So it's a beautiful natural way of shining your plant leaves using Yein&Young liquid organic Castile soap and natural neem oil. And the neem oil will stay on the leaves to help protect it further from pests because it's got natural pesticide and antifungal properties. Look at that. And it's going to dry out very much like this, which I cleaned earlier. I hope you guys learned something today. If you're at home tending to your plants, you could try out this recipe. Make sure don't use detergent, it's a bit too harsh I feel for the plant. Use natural organic Castile soap without any fragrances or essential oils. I hope your plants survive well this MCO. Thank you everyone. Take care.